Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, do you remember the brands that we had about, I think, roughly 20 years ago? There was a company called Kodak. All of us had the cameras. It was the leading company in the world which was manufacturing cameras and memories. They were the ones who were there on the top. There was a brand called Ambassador. They were the leading car company during those days. Not very long ago these brands existed, if we can remember right. But and they were very good brands, giving very good quality, and they were the pioneers. Then what do you think has gone wrong in the last few years that today they are not even there in picture? People don't even remember their names or know their names despite being leaders in their era. It's only one thing, which is change. My dear friends, change is the only thing that's permanent. 20 years ago or 30 years ago, nobody ever thought that camera would become a household thing, a thing which even a 2-year and a 3-year-old child will start picking up and clicking photos, making Kodak a company which will become obsolete and of no use because buying a separate camera would not be required at all, having the phones in hand. The technology has moved from where to where in the past 3 to 4 decades today. The whole point here is that we need to be keeping up with the change that's happening every now and then. If we are too stringent with ourselves and we don't accept change and foresee what's going to come up and how the world is going to move on, it will not make a big difference to anything that we do. Same thing happens when we are as humans work on the same thing. We don't want to change at times, right? We just want to be stringent, we just want to be a certain way, we just want to do what we want to do and we don't want to see change at all. This is where we go wrong. This is where probably our parents didn't connect with us. Many a times a lot of them who come to me for counseling come to me with this complaint that I don't connect with my parents, they don't understand my frequency. That understanding will come only and only when you are able to make that change in yourself. How the upbringing of a child is done today was way different to how it was done earlier. So we need to make those tweaky changes in our way of lifestyle, in the way we talk to our kids and in the way we talk to our parents to make the whole difference and to make the entire thing working for us. So my dear friends, please keep in mind, give it a thought, let those changes happen to you. It's okay. Please don't say this. I hear a lot of them always coming and telling me, it's too late for me to change. Please understand, it's never too late for anybody to change. It's only here and here that you need to decide that this thing is wrong in me or maybe not the best way in me, so I just need to make a change in myself so that it can work for my betterment. Do give it a thought and do give it a try and let me know how it works. Until then, it's me Neha saying bye for a change.